Are you looking for the ways that will keep all of the loose hair from entering your drain, so that you can never suffer the repeated hair clogs? Well, get a LEKEYE Drain Defender, the best solution for clogged drains. Say goodbye to repeated clogged drain pains. LEKEYE designed to effectively catch hair while allowing water to drain and prevents objects from escaping down the drain. When it comes to clean, just lift it and a wipe, hair comes right off. Made from silicone and stainless steel, LEKEYE can last for a long time and won't get wear and tear as quickly as other flimsy plastic drain protectors. Silicone ring helps LEKEYE stay in place and sit flush. With LEKEYE, no more clogged drains, no more harmful chemical drain cleaners, and no more pricey plumber bills. Easy to install, simple to use, and effective on every hair. LEKEYE, the super effective way to prevent clogging and protect your drains.